Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm gonna tell you that how can you share your Skype profile and your name. So let's start the video. First of all, open up your Google Chrome, search skype.com and open up Skype account. In terms to log in your account, you have to wait for a while, show some patience while it is opening. After your Skype start working, you have to add your account, log into your account or sign in your account. After signing into your Skype account, again show some patience and wait for a while it is opening. As you can see, your Skype is now open. You have to move forward and tap on your profile, and after tapping on your profile, you'll see all these options. You have to press on your profile picture again, and here you can see you have a variety of options. Tap on share profile and tap on copy to clipboard, then come back and copy your Skype name, and that is how you can share your Skype profile and your Skype name. I hope you liked the video, and this video will help you in any way. By following these steps, you can share your Skype profile and your Skype name. Thank you for watching it.